Hello friend, this is a short introduction about ISP and OSP. So in fixed network, ISP is an internet services provider which is providing us indoor services or inside plant services, for example cabling and equipment or devices inside the building or shed. So first try to understand the root of ISP, uh, that a multinational company which is giving internet services to its users. So first equipment is installed in that building, and after that it terminates through fiber patch panel, and then ISP and OSP ODF. From ISP and OSP it goes to the distribution point and then it terminates towards the cabinet. So there is an example. Look at this building, and in this building we have the equipment like Nokia IP seamless router is installed, and we are giving the connectivity to the users. And this is the ISP and OSP ODF through which fiber cable is being routed. And now I'm talking about the OSP, outdoor services provider or outside plant services provider in fiber optics fixed network. This term belong to the fiber optic cable routing and installed optical distribution frames and underground cable duct fibers, so that we can get the complete reliability of the services. So this outdoor services provider, first the fiber termination which I showed you from ISP equipment goes to a fiber patch panel, and then it connected through distribution point, and from the distribution point it's connected with main cabinet, and from the main cabinet we lay through the underground cabling like this. So in case we need to route the fiber cable in outside area, so the protective plastic sheet must be covered over it to avoid it from the damage or any harmful conditions by the weather, so that it may not affect our services. So this is the safety procedure for OSP. So I hope so this short introduction to ISP and OSP you better understand now. But the role and responsibility of ISP and OSP is very important. So the responsibility of ISP engineer is to design and maintenance of fiber routes and testing of newly installed equipment, and also its commissioning inside the shelter or building room. And OSP plays an important role in telecom industry. Its responsibility is to design and maintenance and construction of plants and providing the aerial and underground routing of fibers as well. So OSP and ISP is very important in this fixed network. Thanks a lot for your time, and I try my best to explain everything in my short videos. So these videos are very useful for fresh graduating telecom engineers. So if you have any questions you can ask me in comments, and also like, subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you.